Welcome to Not Factory Approved. Today I'll be showing how to arc shoes for drum brakes by hand. Seems to be a lost talent to get somebody to do it for you. So hopefully this helps. You may ask, why is it important to arc shoes? Well, a couple of reasons. One is the brakes will work better. Number two of the couple is that they won't grab. Or number three of the couple is that they'll just plain work better.
Now, these shoes were a little oversized. It's just the way they supplied them, I guess, in case your drums are worn. Unfortunately, these drums are not worn. They are in good shape, so they're, at least this one is. The other one's got a groove in it. So this drum is pretty darn close to original. And finding people who turn drums and arc shoes is getting to be hard. One of those lost talents, I guess. No money in it, people don't do it anymore. So I've been taking this 80 grit body paper that's semi-worn out. Don't throw anything away until it's totally shot. And then I'll show you how I've been taking them down. It's taken a little while, but before I could not get the drum even started on the shoes, and now I can slide it on and off. It just has friction. So you have to try and keep these as straight as possible, and because of the size of the paper and the size of the shoe, I had to do it that part, this part, and then the top part. And I've been doing it about 35 times, trying to keep it as straight as possible. And then again. Okay, and the other thing that's important is the shoes have to be beveled. And I was doing it both shoes, but this one's thinner than the back one, so I started concentrating just on the back one, the secondary shoe. Things are a little crooked. Went on easier than that before. There. You can turn it, but it still got friction. So more to go. Hometown shoe arcing. It's been a bit of a fight, but that new drum does go on there, and I'm starting to get it closer and closer to where it needs to be. So one thing that you can do is using coarse sandpaper, body sandpaper, but for a flat plain sander, hand in this case, 17.5 inches. Use that to take down the high spots, and you can tell easily where the high spots are because the drum will polish them. So I look for those and I grind them down with the sandpaper, and then I put the drum back on and keep working like that. That's what I did on the other side, and it actually turns okay now. So things are getting closer, and then I can work on the handbrake and put the front brakes together, the hubs and master cylinder, bleed the brakes, all that stuff. So that's my target for this afternoon, but we'll see if I actually get there.
Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or even notify, or any of the above, or all of the above. Thank you.